What a dork.
Oh, okay. You need to bag that.
I think she's scared of aliens. She's putting foil in her head, keep the aliens out of her head. So the wife decided that she's going to get her hair colored, along with the kids. They want their hair colored somewhat, highlights, whatever. I was thinking about putting pink right here. No. So while they're doing that, the only thing on is NBC Nightly News, because it's a little after 5:30 or so. And all they're talking about is, well, the pussification of America. The whiny bitches that are crying because Trump is GOP nominee or whatever, and all this other. Shut up. Who cares? Alright, so I was just upstairs in the bedroom. Somehow the door got locked when I walked out. We can't get into the bedroom now because the idiot that put the door handle on used an external door handle, not an internal door handle. And it's not like one of them things you can stick a nail file in and turn it and unlock it. Oh my God! It needs an actual key.
Serenity! Bring me a hammer.
You're such a criminal.
This is interesting. I want a lock fucking pick.
Well, you should order one from that stupid Wish.
I'm going to.
Here comes another criminal. There's another criminal right there. Breaking and entering. All because some idiot put the wrong door handle on the inside door and it got locked and we don't have a key for it. So, okay.